We're in Italy, spezia. Unfortunately, I can't eat Italian pizza, but the pizza is very nice here. I just have coffee. Ben eats the pizza here. We was here in May, that's why we know what it tastes like. And it's a beautiful location. And Italy is just what I expected. I just pictured this, sitting in the street, drinking coffee in an Italian restaurant. I'm really sad that I started my healing journey last year and I can't experience the Italian pizza, because pizza was my favourite food. We got on a little train when we was here in May and we had a little tour, but this time we decided just to walk around because we know where we are now. Just imagine living in one of these apartments in this beautiful town. I really do like Bar Remo. So I do recommend, if you ever come here, go to Bar Remo and try the beautiful pizza that I can't try. Ben's had the pizza. He enjoyed it.